Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some more free presets to give away. They'll be in the description below. After you download them, go to generators and go down to SDS generators and then SDS 3D shapes version 1. And there's 18 of them here. I'm gonna try not to waste too much of your time. I'll go over a couple of them. There's like 3 that are different than the rest. That's the ones I made with the U-shape nodes, like the first one, the capsule. Give your height, radius. I made these for the people that don't like Fusion, but they want to use shapes in their projects. So these are all for the edit page. And on the 3 that I'm talking about, the U-shape, if you want to add a shape to these, select the texture, and then browse. I just put a picture on there for now. Have your rotation, translation. And most of the shapes are like this one. The cone. You have all your normal controls. And you can cap them. Like that. And their color. And if you leave it white, go to shaders. And I have one in there by default. Just select it. You want to change it, just select the browse button. And you put whatever you want in there. They're obviously not true shaders, but for the novice that wants to use shapes, you can just put any picture of whatever you want on there. Here's another U-shape one. Again, if you want to add a shader to this one, select the texture. And if you lose your controls, like you just seen here, it only does this on the 3 with the U-shape for whatever reason. Just click away and click on it again, and they'll be back. This one obviously has rounded corners, and you can change that. I'm just going to go down through. Most of these are self-explanatory. Some of these, like this one, you can make it solid. I made these so the excursion goes both ways from the center out. If you want longer, just put a larger value in here. And I'll show you this one. The image plane, you just select the color or texture. I actually made this one to use a 9x16 picture. Whether it's 4K, 1080, or 720, they'll all fit. And a wedge. Will also extend both ways. Most of them will. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.